Delicious kale salad recipe you can enjoy all week long. Chop up your kale, wash it, and let it completely dry. Use 2 organic tomatoes. 6 small organic Persian cucumbers. Half of organic red onion. Start prepping your cucumbers, onions, and tomatoes, and make sure they're finely chopped into small cubes. Drop in your kale first, everything else goes on top. There you have it, fresh kale salad all week long. Store it in the fridge and enjoy it anytime with your favorite dressing.